Hello, in this video I want to show you how you can use Google Chrome reading mode in your web page. For example, let's search for FIFA World Cup. As you can see, we have different text in this page, and if we want to automatically read the text here, we can easily right click on the page and open in reading mode. Okay. It will generate a text from the page, and if you select the part of your page, you can see it will be highlighted in the split view. You can play the reading text.
Official site for FIFA World Cup 2026 trademark NYNJ.
You can see the
Explore host
view
city
from here.
highlights, stadium info, fan experiences, and updates for the world's biggest football.
Okay, you can change the text size to have a better view, or you can change settings. It is have a different settings, for example, themes, fonts, line height, letter spacing. You can change the voice if you have different voice in your system, voice highlight, and change the view. For example, you can see in full page or in side panel. Okay, if you open another page, for example, let's open Wikipedia. You can again open the reading mode uh, in this page. If you look at this part, you can see a button, reading mode, or you can press Alt, Shift, and R to access the reading mode. Okay. You can pin the reading mode or unpin from here to pin or unpin this button, and you can enable or disable links and images. Okay, finally you can press close button to close the side panel.
A World Cup is a global sporting competition in which the participant entities, usually
Thanks
international
for
teams or
watching this
individuals
video.
representing